Hey, Jimmy here with the Wash Doctor, and I am giving you 3 reasons why you should schedule your house wash this fall. The first reason is that it's just time. It's time to wash your home. It's time to get the dirt, the bugs, the mold, the algae, the moss, the rust off of your home. We can take care of it and beautify your home. So the first reason is it's time to gain back your curb appeal. Number 2 is that you're going to beat the spring rush. People are already scheduling, booking up the spring, and if you wait, you're going to have to wait halfway into the season to even be scheduled and have it done. And we want you to enjoy the beauty of your clean home for the entire season. The third reason is that we are going to give you a 10% off discount when you tell us the secret phrase, fall wash. I know that's really encryptive. You probably couldn't have, figured that out on your own. So we're going to give you 10% off if you book this fall. So these are the 3 reasons that you should book with the Wash Doctor and wash your house this fall. It's time to clean it. You want to beat the rush and you want to get that 10% discount using the secret phrase, I can talk, I promise, fall wash. Give us a call. We'll talk to you soon.